The 2025 Porsche 911 marks a significant evolution in the iconic sports car's legacy, introducing advanced hybrid technology and refined design elements. This iteration, known as the 992.2 generation, offers a blend of performance, innovation, and luxury. Powertrain and performance. A notable enhancement in the 2025 model is the introduction of the T-Hybrid system, debuting in the Carrera GTS and its variants. This hybrid setup combines a 3.6-liter turbocharged flat-six engine with an electric turbocharger, delivering 541 horsepower and 569 Newton-meters of torque. This configuration propels the Carrera GTS from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.0 seconds, with a top speed around 312 kilometers per hour. Design updates. The 2025 911 features subtle yet impactful design revisions, including updated bumpers, wheels, headlight designs, mirrors, and aerodynamic components, giving the vehicle a refreshed and modern appearance. Model variants. The lineup for the 2025 911 includes Carrera and Carrera Cabriolet. These models maintain the classic 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine, producing 394 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. They accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.9 seconds, with a top speed of 295 kilometers per hour. Carrera GTS T-Hybrid and variants. Equipped with the new hybrid powertrain, these models offer enhanced performance metrics and are available in coupe, cabriolet, and targa configurations. GT3 and GT3. Touring. These variants continue to feature the 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat-six engine, delivering 510 horsepower and 450 Newton-meters of torque. They achieve 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.4 seconds, with top speeds of 311 kilometers per hour and 313 kilometers per hour, respectively. Manual transmission option. For driving enthusiasts, the 2025 Carrera T model offers a 6-speed manual transmission, providing a tactile and engaging driving experience. This variant emphasizes driver involvement, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. Availability deliveries for the 2025 Porsche 911 began in the fall of 2024, with various models arriving at dealerships subsequently. In summary, the 2025 Porsche 911 seamlessly integrates traditional performance with modern hybrid technology, catering to both purists and those seeking advanced automotive innovations.